safer and more inclusive for every student? Again, how can we make schools safer and more inclusive for every student?
Thank you for that wonderful question, sir. We can make schools safer and more inclusive by teaching respect and kindness, stop bullying, and more. Everyone feels welcome. Thank you.
Candidate number 2, please step forward.
Kato ba utok na gito.
Your question is, why is vocational and skills training important for young people?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I believe vocational skills development is to empower young people to build careers and create and innovate responsibly.
Thank you so much, Binibini 2. Binibini 3.
Worship Sirena kanang mermaid sa dagat nila kay one ay hang now.
Your question is, what can we do to ensure every youth has access to quality education?
Thank you for the wonderful question. I believe quality education is a great equalizer. The key to unlocking the human potential. We must ensure every young person, regardless of background, has access to quality opportunities by investing in underserved school opportunities. We can empower youth.
Padayon, go, go, go! Sara may dasam din kami. Sakit kayo na sa bagtak eh. Tagas na lang high head ron.
Thank you so much, Binibini 3. Binibini 4. Your question is, what role does sports play in youth development? Again, what role does sports play in youth development?
Thank you. Sports play a vital role in youth development, fostering not only physical health but also character and resilience. Sports like volleyball play a vital role in shaping the youth, and it's more than just teaching us how to pass, serving, setting, and blocking. It's more than just serving a ball. It's all about setting yourself up for success, passing on wisdom, and blocking out negativity. Sports not only shape our character, but also mold ourselves, and make us champions not only on the court, but also in the journey of life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Binibini 4. Next, we have Binibini 5. Your question is, how can we promote gender equality among among the youth? Again, how can we promote gender equality among the youth?
Go, Chamay! Go, go, go!
Again, your question is, how can we promote gender equality among the youth?
Education and awareness campaign can help.
Go, Chamay!
Education and awareness campaign can help.
Opinion na lang ako. On. Mag-uot ka liya. Gabuan ang pabalik ng pagsakit.
Thank you so much, Binibini 5. And our last candidate, Binibini 6. Your question is, what is the role of digital literacy in youth development?